In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear tail lamp assembly on this Lincoln Navigator. You'll have one of these on each side of your vehicle. The process will be the same. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing you want to do is open your rear liftgate. With that open, we have clear access to our two 7mm headed bolts. Remove the pair. Continue on with a plastic trim tool. We're going to start separating the lamp assembly from the body of the vehicle. Now on the back side of the lamp assembly, let's carefully grab onto this and turn it counterclockwise. There it is, friends. Before we get ready to install our tail lamp assembly, it's a good idea to use a little bit of lubricant inside of each of the mounting ports. All right, friends, let's get ready to install our brand new rear tail lamp assembly. Let's take this and put it in place, turn it clockwise to lock it in position. Give it a wiggle to make sure it's secure. Looking at the back of the lamp assembly, you can tell that you have 3 tabs that protrude out, and those go into their corresponding holes that we showed you to lubricate. Let's align those tabs with their holes. Once you feel as though it's in position, carefully press it into the body of the vehicle. Continue on to your 2 mounting screws. Start each of these in before you snug either of them up. Make sure the tail lamp's secured to the body of the vehicle. Go ahead and close your lift gate and test the lamp functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.